This video can help you to learn
Welcome avid learners. Like participle, a gerund is also a double parts of speech. It's originally a verb, but in a sentence we use it like a noun. So how to form a gerund? Just add an ing with the simple present tense of a verb. So here is the example. Forgetting is natural in middle age. The word forgetting acts as a gerund. As we added ing with simple present tense of the verb forget. So do watch the video till the end and help this aged man with more likes and share. And do not forget to subscribe this channel. What is a gerund? A gerund is a verb form ending in ing that is used as a noun. Gerund is defined as the ing form of a verb and that has the characteristics of a noun also. Gerund as a subject. Traveling can be healthy. Fishing requires a great patience. Here, traveling and fishing are used as a subject and they are gerunds. Gerund as a direct object. They love hiking. Please stop chatting. Here, hiking and chatting are both gerunds and they are used as direct objects. Gerund as an indirect object. Gopa will give jogging a try. Students gave winning their best effort. Here, jogging and winning are gerunds and they are used as indirect objects. Gerund as object of preposition. The officer always insults me by worrying. In replying, always give specific examples. Here, worrying and replying are gerunds and they are used as object of preposition. Gerund as appositive. Now, what is an appositive? Appositive is a noun that rename another noun. So look at the example. The goat's habits, biting and laughing, must be modified. It sounds funny, but here biting and laughing are used as appositives. Gerund as a complement. It is an old saying, seeing is believing. Here, saying and believing are gerunds and they are used as complements. First advice. A preposition is always followed by a gerund and not by an infinitive. If you want to use a verb after a preposition, it must be a gerund. Look at the examples. She is good at swimming. I am too afraid of losing. I am tired of arguing. Here, swimming, losing, and arguing are gerunds and they are used after the prepositions at, of, and of. Advice number 2. Do not confuse a gerund with a present participle used as an adjective or as a part of verb phrase. Look at the differences. Gerund. I remember singing from 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. Here, singing is used as a gerund. Present participle. Singing on long trips. I usually take rest occasionally. Here, singing is used as a present participle where the adjective modifying the pronoun I. An exercise is given for recapitulation. Identify the participles and gerunds. Here are 6 sentence examples. I saw a flying object. She was busy at meeting. Give a toy to a crying baby. Dancing in the park is not allowed. Don't tickle a sleeping cat. Mona sang the opening song.